4 no so a odi Arsenal had the belief say Arsenal betimi agye afi EPO ne de asiri na so was Bismarck Owusu Bempa Ayala. What can I say? Ayala, good morning.
Good morning.
Na bibia boko de.
Oh yeah, Nyankopa do me very fine.
Den yami ase. Me kai pa time you ever started this season. And a retro attire obi a in top 4.
Yeah.
On power top 4 no say Arsenal na be league no.
Yeah.
And I'm of us Ayala pa obi analysis Arsenal team we are. De bia no ma bottle de bia dia no hu omumu a o so ma league no. Dia na hu ye mu bia hu.
Say kwa na obesia akano. Okay.
Nhyira fan.
Me say before we start the crown Jeff say wo Ayala top 4 na. Fato bi go bi all kinds of be say e bia Arsenal giwi na. Mo ba be say Ayala top 4. Wo dey mo fan to you ever start this season obia in the top 4. O sha Ayala nko top 4 no ye na o the Arsenal to soro. Say Arsenal na be di afi league no. At the SCN now. So Jeff me so for to YouTube na amount for mo show no. And so na me hebi.
Okay. Rich. First of all, na enyoma enketi bi na mekeka bomu a na bibie wo mu bia ejidi se Arsenal be league we na didi kan say success in pempi a progressive as the second that in itself is success. Enti baby ano mu free ba ne baby ano madru no Rich na me say the way they kept building on the omoye na fibiano na omobeti assign dabi. I so much believe say they've been very very consistent with their climbing. The way no musi fro omo na eye den ya ekwan na omo faso omo de fro no omo nja ye no mani abre ne nkwa the Rich no omo fro dru top one day. And see, that is my first thing. They are tossing Rich, Arsenal went through a lot of pain. A yaw. And na bibi catch him say, sa a yaw no, e boa no ama. The day they will say, no. Yentimi intinase man de bia yendi yaw no. Sade no media to say afidie with the lessons from your yawa yedi in the past no ye be pese be bibi foforo ne ase ehun animonyam, and I believe it was this year. Number 3, I don't know the entire a lot of people aren't pay attention, but Rich, a new man na Arsenal now on the transfer market is to build a squad that can win them the league. Nti odi opa bon company ko wechibe last 2 seasons me fa unko eche bebre. All that Arsenal kept doing was to build a squad a bit me mo magi league no. Se me ka se omo build this squad a bit mo magi league dem pese me che say all the times at Arsenal eben league na no mo ntimi nji omo ben league na no mo ntimi nji ni nyina no. Rich, it was predominantly because na omu ni squad that is deep enough. Na say along the season, no, fatigue, loss of form, injury, bibi ebetu omu players no me key to Arsenal progress ni biano. Se saadi na me bobo si na etu omu a na omu nse de ni backup papa bia. Until once Arsenal identify data, omu de no ni madu eke baso sebuka Osaka bibitu na oba bebo omode Ezel Basso say Odegaard free ma oba bebo. Then I knew no. This Arsenal team, yes, is not only building a first team and as a first 11 that are very, very competitive, but they've learned their lessons. Say within a stretch of the season, say Ohio Pep Guardiola in the team now. Baby Omobe Drubi and say baby to they are able to bring in a replacement. And if I can't be shema, not what me mama maintaining baby Omo and that is the difference between Omo Arsenal and the Pep team. No, they said no way. And Capimra, Kofa Calafiori, the mascara, you could clearly see Arsenal were building backups. Even in the season, they had Kai Havertz, Munu Gabriel Jesus. And Omunya enough for them to win. They said, okay, let's go to Sporting Club de Portugal, convince Victor Gyökeres, let him come. Arsenal were building a very, very good squad. And to win the Premier League, you just don't need a very, very good first 11, but you need a quality squad deep enough. All the adversities about to work on, you have what it takes to make sure say you measure up to Eno. Rich, unim diama kenyina. The most crucial thing I convince me is Arsenal Beji League now. Sasa mamba beke one way eno pa ne be wiawo ama unjindi se Arsenal Beji League no. Rich, say all the athletes esif field so omunko America 100 meters. The reason why Baku be the first, Baku be the second, Baku be the third, Baku be the fourth, and say a boom set pass omunkwa. Rich, and you munina ne betinya through mika as fast as the be the first no. Enti the speed now what they be kono. The oko speed the pan will finish first. The oko edineti kakan will finish second. The reason why people didn't know Arsenal was going to win the league, and they say, Rich, in everything that you do, say ubedi first. It means your other competitors must within some time now ubedi first. No, I was say, omo ahun omo performance ever from a chain. Okay, and Arsenal the first. And yes, 30 season, you know, you watch the typical Arsenal competitors. Now, Osha omu consistent performance. They were not matching up to Arsenal.
Yeah, Liverpool is 30 league.
You get it?
Yeah.
Then,
5 matches. The
moment that Cheney hit Liverpool, Chelsea never competed.
Yeah.
At the point in time, okay. Enzo Maresca time, I think of you. Yeni Nkasi Beji League, no. When they were also hits, they couldn't come back again. Now, I can't Chelsea, Arsenal and Man City. Rich, sadly, way I was always saying it, but people were not paying attention to it. Me say, me. Obian who are Pepe some chime. Me a true and true Barcelona fan. Me a true and true Pep Guardiola. But no credit say. There was too much attention on Arsenal. And my Nkofo every free say this Man City team is not good enough. That is the reason why I reach. Even on days Man City lose games. Say who compare on the days Arsenal lose games. Then people are saying Arsenal are bottling the league. But the Man City, they are people don't say they are bottling the league. Now, I'm saying, the league na here bono. Arsenal points be yeah, omo league ni bo machi, and omo makanibo league ni ko mani mana. Because Rich, in the race na yemi onu ye kono. Say me say am 3 points. Wo say am 3 points. Say wo bo draw am 1. Me bo draw am 1. In that same race na ye kono. Say me lose points everybody say maybe Momo Botleno. But say who lose points? They go for you. They be where they city.
Yeah, because of Arsenal history.
History.
That's why we are bottless.
You see, Rich.
Go could drag the enemy as or more fan will be a Jeff.
You see, the members are making and say people were paying too much attention to Arsenal. Inti Emma or more failures became too much highlighted. I'm uncle for free say or more Arsenal no more competing. No. Were much more failures than Arsenal. Why people have failed to understand that point, say the reason why Arsenal were going to win the league, and they say the competitors were not good enough. Nobody said Arsenal were going to be invincibles. Arsenal were going to lose some games. They were going to draw some games. But compare Arsenal to the competitors now. Rich, they were not good enough. Arsenal in that same parameters. Now, okay, I think it was on the 19th of April. And Man City share Arsenal 2-1. I came to stand here. And I'm a catcher will say, fixtures now can. Man City, I'm sure this season, they are not going to win all those fixtures. Yeah. And remember still Arsenal League. Now within this line, Everton, Bournemouth, Arsenal are winners. Rich, apart from all this scientific in your man, minim say eya unya sa feeling nibia. Rich, haven't you felt so deep in your mind, soul and body? Say e will be mrenida. Feel is had any yeah. That is how I feel about Arsenal. Aside the science analysis, you know. Rich, during the preseason, Mikel Arteta ne story na. Me we Jumedia no edina. Na me we team na or they ever prosecute season na. Rich, something in me told me this was going to be Arsenal's time. And until now along the season, Arsenal fought Hame. Along the season, some raise issues of officiating. Say Aqua ama Arsenal Hame. Because when it is your time, everything works in your favor. Say all lose game Ukraine Rich, your competitors will lose too. And see, it was Arsenal's time. I don't begrudge people who didn't feel like I felt. It's say unya sa feeling it's me. I don't have a problem with that. But Rich, me control radio so that I felt in me this was Arsenal's moment to win the league. And there was nothing that was going to stop it. Sanka Enra, Man City share Bournemouth tumpa. Arsenal would have gone to Selhurst Park and beat Crystal Palace and win the league. Yeah. It was their moment. O time so obi antimi nya ho hwe o.
Time na so.
No. Obi antimi nya ho hwe.
Okay.
And minimum who doubt it, Arsenal are deserving winners of the English Premier League. Now Rich,
na Urefia na.
Oh,
Kaba.
Okay. Me Urefia se mo.
Listen wa ha.
Me ba.
Me no hu ni 10.
And opa we me sorry I had a message 2 a.m. from one Dr. Emmanuel Asari.
Okay.
Or US New Jersey. Or sending me a message 2 a.m. almost 3 a.m. To me, sorry, I'm not parents on me on Facebook. And I say, because I've been very, very consistent on this Arsenal Veggie League, you know. Obeso, on my lunch. Until me when I'm sure, okay. I'm true to his words. He has sent me 1,000 CDs.
Wow.
Say area we for lunch. So I decided to mention his name, Dr. Emmanuel Asari, or New Jersey or US. Now, Rich, they now Arsenal board draw against Wolverhampton Wanderers. Miti here. Doing our analysis, and I'm saying, I will bet on anybody or give this Arsenal and win a league. Omo bet and I remember Fifi came to sit down. No reading message before on the phone say UK say ono so be ko bet ni bi look omo ko bet ni bi ami minimum this show we don't know them omo na omo de omo guts e ba say omo be ko bet no we nye kasa tintin ya
Mia kasa madam for Hustler JKD UK Hustler Mpa
so the wodi no wodi ni bi so ba o mention ni pa kona
matro din wa na ye ni ankasa ye nia
I think there was Ben. One. Yes, there was one.
Ben. Yeni Ben.
Also good.
Auntie, yes, monkey canning now.
This show has always have integrity when it comes to betting.
And I said the Roman Chabedu much.
Yeah, you go 14 now show also because of betting. Mesra unim say oka onwa that day obeto bet Libya. Na odo
that be good for them
good for bet no see Chelsea be Champions League ya dini 2k ebe si na yente nka ya be kind sa obi say obi redeem no enti we yen kasa nkwachi
okay
rich wow to bet
ya di hu ni mpacho
fatilo tro number bi bra ebia na obi ti be go so the tro number bra Your number brana yemfa
yeah me sense so be me ankasa madam for Hustler JKD who UK mpacho mesraw bet na do for sika bra
yeah obia
yemia Ben onso de me kai pa obia mfa ni sika no me jeje na bibia anya sa yoko be du achi ya me frɛ Romanach ono so de okaso obechewa
enti obia
uradi nyame good enti ya choose wa unya bio enti mo fa nchom tim na
fatilo say
mo nya no fine
yeah number ya DJ bet now
okay Hustler can send message about so o show no enti Hustler ni fast
Hustler number ni nie
ya bobo number ni
sie oni o makari nya number ni nie we by the time ya be pon no we do hu ni neat o de ye no ya ma figure bia and didn't you do and to be diligent you send it to this number 0248 103045 0248 103045 Jonathan Esiedu Fatilo
okay
a number no nti why do bet ni bia no na we do hu ni kama David
Hustler say we send message so be di ni hu ni sisi
fantastic it is 0248 103045 udu hu ni kama udu hu ni so a ye ba be ka
oh yeah
so to bet no I deal no what me
about you for no YouTube for na me refi bi
oh
emrante be to me
me omu hu ni
try as I come can with
try o de ji omu di say omo ankasa wo feel it in your house
ya ko dey touch na betua ata da bia bada o ka radio this
o mo agasa meto but rich correlations to after o mo juma papa ye bra panyi de la so ye bra panyi kankam boadu ye bra panyi achi sometime
oh there some refi achi ni time
o mo nyina refi kankam so ese
kankam they already made in kanka
oh okay
achi na me refi say achi ye fan Arsenal fan and a sun timer
yes omo no mo Arsenal fan omo nyina celebrate omo we no o me mini pe bi so ho
and I madam go Edum Martin or pass na che bibia
oh any
or this is our boss of Marseille
oh okay so ka na tromo hene Sledge
okay
Sledge big Arsenal fan big nana on kwaso eze Arsenal jilige no mi so won social media homa I reach 22 years now on jilige
so 20 me see abrante bi ti me down and now bridge bi where side was an obetra no wusu
enye easy o
I was like, really?
22 years.
To bridge in so
big club. Big club.
Finally, Arsenal league.
Look, onye Arsenal ni aon. Yes, on tiasie. But Rich, and I say, ye mu be a boy no. We've seen Arsenal in their glory days now. But Rich, to have a gap of 22 years in between successes. Now, all of a sudden, as I be no. Rich, allow them to be happy. and they deserve to be happy. Giddy. It's correlations to Arsenal fans in
Kevin Bless, I say a car be fear. The bad losers 10 ghosts. Dear ghosts, and your video is ghosts were here. Yeah, we will make sure we hand them. We will definitely hand them. Mrs. Saman Farmer, Romanato on Ko baby. Sasa aba pan munum no ndo chewa. Be okroma bi. Aha. Enti I want some no I don't know. Odu mi kotwa be. Na de owura bi say na ya hye bi jesi. Asa yi mi tri life. Oh, me bet they say there. All right, yentosi 104.5 na brand message bi wa